Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to show that the derivative of e to the power of s is e to the power of s by taking the term by term derivative of the series expansion for e to the power of s. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing, we know this one. So in this situation, we need to expand the series in here, and we have like this. Now we know that this one we have number 1, this one we have number 1, so this one we have s. Now if we do first derivative for the both side, and we have like this. So this one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have 2s. This one we have 3s squared. This one we have 4s to the power of 3. Now we know that this one that is about number 1, we have 2 factorial, that is about number 1 multiplied by number 2. So number 2 divided by number 2, we have number 1. So this one we have s. This one we have 2 factorial multiplied by number 3. So number 3 divided by number 3, we have number 1. And so on in here. And we know that this one in here, that is about this one. So we just transform this one into this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.